Okay, I got the whole bike packed up. I wanted to show you. Did you get your head stuck? Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. I am the holier-than-hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse and diabolical minion of good. And this is another camping video. I'm going to try to go camping again on my bike. Now, last time I went camping on my bike, didn't make it. And I was on a cargo bike, was able to carry a lot more gear. I figured out once I tried to pack this, the Magooch up. But now I'm on the mountain bike, BBS HD engine. What are you talking about? Oh, BBS HD engine, and I've got less gear this time. I'm going to sleep in a cabin, so now I have to bring my sleeping pad and or my tent. Sleeping pad or tent, they get to stay. But otherwise, I'm bringing most of the stuff is what I'd bring. I'm also going to leave a frying pan. I got a little frying pan, a little cooking setup. I'm leaving. I'm just bringing a kit to boil water for the morning, and the rest of it, I think I'm probably going to. It's not a secluded island. It's called the Bainbridge Island. It's called Bainbridge Island in Washington State, going from the Renton area to Bainbridge Island in Washington, and it is stores and stuff. So I think that I'm going to do a bike tour. I think on the bike tour, the second day, I will probably get some hot foods and stuff. But otherwise, I'm just going to eat cold foods out of a bag, like an animal. So, I wanted to show you some of the new stuff I got for the camping, and how I'm going to fit it all together and put it on my bike. And that's what this is, a video about. I'll fit that all in the title. And if you guys want to see my colossal failures at trying to go camping, put the thing in the thing, like and subscribe, say hi to your mother. Okay, here's the stuff, but I sleep in a tent already, so that's the deal there. This is my sleeping arrangement because I've got cats who, if I didn't keep them out of my bed, would step on my face at night. They take turns standing on my face, so I sleep in a tent. This comes down. This is a great. Actually, I've slept in this for several years now, maybe like 4 years, and it keeps cats out, and it's great. Little personal sleeping unit. But that's not what I'm here to talk about. Talk about all my stuff. A lot of people are like, oh, you got too much stuff, man. Well, you know what? You got too little stuff. That's what I say. If you're gonna go down in the comments, you're like, oh, you got too much stuff. You got too little stuff. So what do you think of that? What do you think of that? Get to tell me. Go ahead and complain about how much stuff I got. I like when I go camping. There are things that I'm going camping to do. Oh wait, hold on, I'm missing something. Oh, preview. Yeah, so when I go camping, there's stuff I like to do. I like to sit next to a campfire, drink me some Cokes, some Mexican Cokes. They're not a sponsor, but they're going to send me some Cokes. If they want to. Just mail them to my email address. Emails me some Cokes. Coke. Okay, I drink coffee. Got a French press that I bring with because I drink coffee. I drink good coffee, so screw you. I'm bringing my French press. I don't care. You guys want your cowboy coffee? Fine, drink your cowboy coffee. That's on you. I don't care. I got my French press. I fill my thing twice, so got a little cooking thing to boil up enough water. Do one French press at a time. I'm supposed to eat food, so I'm bringing some bananas. I've also got some raisins, some salami, crackers. Things going to go into this. This is a neat little lunch kit. I'll put some hard-boiled eggs in here, I think. I don't know how long they'll last. Then you put, I got gel freezer packs waiting to go into here. Okay, little cleaning up kit. This is just some soap, rubber gloves, and a towel in there. Got some more towels. Always bring your towel. This is a blanket. It's a camping blanket, and I've had no success trying to sleep in sleeping bags. I get real claustrophobic. Bringing a sleeping bag just kind of to lie down on the pad. The cabin I'm staying at has many sleeping areas with pads and whatnot, a futon. So plenty of choice is to sleep on comfortably, but use the sleeping bag, kind of lie it down, and then use this blanket, which I'll do a review on after I've used it. Bringing two cameras. I'm bringing two cameras on the trip, so I'm hoping to do a few reviews of some of my gear and get some videos of the trip still coming up. Tomorrow, I'm going to get it tomorrow, and then I won't be able to put any of the videos out until probably this weekend, which if you're watching this in years from now, it's not none of that makes any sense to you. But in any case, got a great little fold-up blanket, Bestie BFF blanket. They've got a Bestie blankets just for a single person, but this is for two people because I like to be comfortable, so I'm going to it's two people's good for one for me. That's what I think. Whatever there's stuff out there, if it's tent for two, it's a little too small for just me. I want a three-person tent for me. But I tried to sleep in a little bivvy. Didn't like it. If I were camping, I'd probably have to take that with me because it's all I have right now. And then this little I forget what these things are called, the mummy sacks or whatever. I've got this sleeping bag and I don't like it. It ties my feet together. And I'm a roller. I roll in bed. I don't snore, but I roll a lot. Got a new thing to hook up with this. Here's a mount to hook this camera or one of my other cameras, which is in one of these. It's in here. Bringing a second camera with me since I got to on my handlebars while I'm riding for the trip. See stuff behind me. I'm going to do some instructional videos. Rain gear, because it's already raining today. I don't know if it'll rain on the trip, but I always bring rain gear anyway. What else? I got a little kitchen sink. Yeah, everything plus the kitchen sink. Now this is a little bowl with a sieve. It's a sieve. It's a colander. It's a little bowl plus colander, collapsible, and then half a cup. I think that's a half a cup measuring cup. For the bike, I'm bringing a spare tire. I've got a kit. I don't think the kit's here. I think it's actually on my bike. I usually leave it on my bike. But I've got a little kit, a little tool kit, go along with that, just in case an incidental happens. I can fix it on the fly if it's possible. Towel. Got another towel. Always bring your towel. Always bring your towel. My ukulele. Yeah, I'll take a peek at that. Now that's what I'm going for. I'm going to play my uke. I'm going to drink my cokes. I'm going to chill out and enjoy hopefully some form of nature that is provided there on the island. I don't know. I'm assuming that there'll be nature there, that I'll have a nice quiet place in this campground. But, who knows? There's people. It's an inhabited island. So who knows? My Leatherman. I'm bringing a headset. And here's my... and my charger. I got a brand new charger. And I'll do a review on that. After I've charged a few times so far. It's been great. Great little charger so far. So it's just a couple bones for that charger. Do a review on that. And then I got this new compression sack. I'm going to fit most of this into the compression sack. And so far this has been, I already put a bunch of stuff in it, took it out, and it fills up. So I'm going to set this up with a fast motion, speed thing. I'm going to do an effect, and then you can watch me pack it up, and then once I'm done, I'll get back to you. We'll get back to you on that. All right, here we go. like to interrupt this video for a special report. I got a new jacket. It's Alpha Industries. I'm going to do a review of it. Stay tuned for that. It's going to be positive so far. I've worn it for about a week and a half now. And I put a bunch of my patches, and I got some new patches. I got some old patches from my other jacket. I had some patches specially made from my artwork that I make. And, oh, hi guys. Hey, jacket. There you go. There you go. New jacket. Alright, back to whatever stupid videos you got it going. Okay, everybody, looks like I got everything packed up except for one Coke. I couldn't find a place to put the one Coke, and really I couldn't find a safe place to put the Coke where if it broke, it wouldn't get into my sleeping gear or my clothing. I found a place for 3 Cokes, and a 4th Coke would put the one or more Cokes in too close a proximity to each other. In case if there was a jostling, they'd bang together and crash, and the Coke would get all over the spurts. It spurts, especially because of the bumping that'd be going on in the riding. I won't drink this one for a while. So I got 3 Cokes in my kitchen pannier. It has all my kitchen stuff in it, some Cokes, which is nice because it was heavy. Get out of here. The 3 Cokes were heavy enough to counterbalance a lot of the weight of the tools. That I have a thorn-resistant inner tube. So in case something goes wrong with my tire, I change it out for the next permanent one. So this is fairly heavy. So my kitchen thing, having those Cokes in there, makes it heavy. I'm going to get a couple of some things I'm going to add. No, I'm sorry. This is the kitchen. Doesn't matter. Things I'm going to add. I have a little space left in with my tools and my charger. I'm going to add a couple of cans of food, some crackers, and then that little lunch, that blue lunch thing that I put the freezer packs in is going to have some meats and cheeses in it. I also obtained this new kind of a messenger bag. I will do a review on it. I had one a long time ago, worked out well when I had it, really positive review of it at the time. And that was a couple of years ago, and I believe, if I'm not mistaken, my cat peed on it, and so it went into the garbage. Thanks, kitty. No, now you got nothing to say, huh? Alright, whatever. Oh, yeah, nothing to say about that? No? Yeah? No? Cool. But I like it. It's a UTG. It's UTG. UTG stuff is good. It's Maxpedition stuff is great. UTG stuff is a fraction of the price and just as great. And what I like about this one is it comes with the coffee. Got a place for my coffee. So it's got a belt loop on the back, and I bought a belt just for it to wear extra when I'm riding to keep it secure against my body. So got that. That's full of all my electronic gear, my day planner, things that I need handy and ready. Ukulele, and then all my clothing and bedding. There was a pillow in with my sleeping bag, I forgot. So now I'm going to get it all onto the Magooch, and maybe I'll show you that.
And while you're watching that, I suppose I'll just accompany myself on my ukulele.
Okay, here's my new fenders. My old fenders broke. They were really stiff, and every time they hit something, they crack. So I had these fenders on my rad wagon before, and they're real pliable. So when you hit stuff, they bend out of the way. God, I glitter blasted them. They got the glitter blast on them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And painted them up and put some reflective tape on. So I sanded them up, put down a layer of black paint, red paint, glitter blast, and then this reflective tape. So, and then the decal, metal decal, front and back. What? Get out. Fine, go. I don't care. I don't care. You know, it's just dogs out there. It's just a world of dogs. Yeah, have fun with that. Okay, what were we talking about? Oh yeah, the bicycle. So I got everything packed on here and securely, I think, and it seems to be fairly well balanced. And once I get some cans of food, a little more food that's going in here, and my cold packs, we'll see. Sorry about the lighting. Here's the rear fender there with the glitter blast, and I taped off. You know, I put down the black paint, and then I taped it off before I put on the red and the glitter blast on there. So it seems pretty balanced. I got both my panniers are full. The compression sack is fairly full. If I planned out packing it better, I could get more stuff in there, actually. But for this setup, this is fine. This is all I need. My ukulele seems like it might bump me in the butt. We'll see how that goes when I'm riding, and I might adjust it a little bit. But otherwise, I'm good to go. Good to go. So yeah, and then I took it to the shop. Also, I always bring some cash with me. That's where I keep my wallet, so it doesn't fall out of my pocket while I'm riding. Also have a little glove compartment, so I've got lots of extra space in here for whatnot and stuff. I remember, got to figure out where I'm going to put my tail light on this here. It's going to have to go on my ukulele, I guess. I'll figure that out. Okay, so good to go. And I still have space in my ukulele pocket. Hey, everybody. Okay, otherwise, good to go. I'm going to be leaving tomorrow morning, about 10:30, going from here to the ferry. Take the ferry to Bainbridge Island, and then off to my campground, where I'll be camping for a few days. And I'll use some of this stuff. I'm going to get a video review out on my compression sack and something else. Oh, and my my UTG bag. And maybe I think there's one or two other things that I wanted to put a video out about. And then plus I'll document the trip. I'll be wearing my helmet cam. Yeah, and then I'll be using my new GoPro mount for so I get the 2 shots. Get 2 shots, man. Otherwise, ride safe, be seen, and have fun. I'll have videos probably out this weekend.